azodicarbonamide, partially hydrogenated oils, GMOs, dimethyl polyisoxane, yellow 5, yellow 6, red 40, artificial flavors, saccharin, aspartame, carrageenan, caramel coloring, TBHQ, high fructose corn syrup, sodium nitrate, olestra, potassium bromate, datum. All of these ingredients are not food. They work against you, your body, and your health. Fortunately, you don't have to eat them. Hi, I'm Bonnie, and welcome to the Food Babe Eating Guide. Everybody can eat like the Food Babe, I'm convinced. The only reason I've been able to maintain my ideal weight now for over 10 years and feel amazing is because of my habits, food choices, and routine of avoiding certain ingredients. Now, I want to share that with you in an attainable and digestible way every month. Always thinking about what to eat next can be overwhelming, and trying to figure out something to cook at the last minute totally sucks. That's why I've consulted with a nutritionist to develop a monthly eating guide that will not only keep you on track, but will help you lose weight if you want to, or maintain the healthy lifestyle that you're building. I have to admit, living an organic, real food lifestyle is not always easy. Life can get in the way and throw us totally off track. That's why I've developed this program, selfishly for me and for you, so that we can live together in this over-processed food world effortlessly. When you sign up for a monthly subscription, you get 2 documents, a starter guide and a monthly eating guide. The starter guide provides an in-depth introduction to organic and natural living. It is an all-in-one exclusive roadmap for life's many situations, including organic budget tips, how to spot genetically engineered ingredients, dining out guide, top fast food meals that are Food Babe approved, how to make your own nut milks, travel tips, smart snacking options, savory and sweet, my secret recipe for Tighten Up tea, and so much more. Every month, you'll receive a monthly calendar and recipe guide that will include 5 new breakfast, 5 new lunch, and 5 new dinner recipes, and several bonus recipes. Learning to cook something new every day is crazy and too time-consuming. That's why there's only 15 recipes to learn and repeat 4 times during the month. The repetition and routine will create long life habits that will stick with you, helping you reach your ideal weight you've always wanted and stay that way. The best part, everything is neatly organized and simple to access. There's no complicated software to use or new system to learn. Sign up, download the eating guides, hit print, go to the grocery store once a week, and start eating. That's it. It's simple, straightforward, and can fit anybody's lifestyle. So sign up today at foodbabe.com/eat and feel the magic of the Food Babe Eating Guide.